South Carolina Happy Bees, and we're going to be checking this here deep 8 frame, number 10 mag tree. Okay, it's supposed to have a yellow queen. They have no food and no pollen showing. Can y'all see that? Okay, their feed dish is empty. As long as we don't see them cannibalizing more brood, we'll be okay. I won't feel too bad. This one is brood frame. It has a little honey and a little nectar. A little honey right here and some nectar and stuff down there. This one. Has some weight to it. It has nectar, a little honey, same thing that side. It has a band of honey going across here, a group of honey here, and all the rest of this is nectar. Thank y'all for the comments and stuff too. I'd like you to ask questions so I can answer them, and it gives me other things I can do. This one, they're festooning down here, so they have some pollen and nectar. But that has nectar in there. And there's the queen, yellow queen. I bet y'all saw her before I did. That's probably got some eggs in it too. Has brood and larvae and eggs and honey. Same thing on that side. We have brood and eggs and larvae all down in here. Little strip of honey right through here. Same thing on both sides. Okay, when you put your frames back in, put it in, back a little bit, slowly slide them in. Some people put them right beside here and push them down. That's not good. You can squish a bee with that. You can squish a queen with that. If you notice, they are jumping on me a little bit and being protective. This one has babies being born. It has brood. It has larvae. Same thing on that side. Brood, nectar, brood, eggs, larvae. Same thing over here. And the sun's not shining as hot today. And we have a little breeze blowing, not much, but a little bit. Kind of funny you have wind and people want to complain about the wind. You got hot, you complain about the hot, cold, you complain about the cold. This one here has brood and eggs, larvae, honey across the top. Same thing both sides. Haven't seen any bugs, haven't seen any queen cells. We will be putting some peppermint patty in here with these too. This one has honey, nectar, pollen, both sides. Has honey here, we have pollen over here, and all this is nectar. So they're getting some groceries from somewhere. And this frame here, we're going to take it and put it over here on this side. Let them start building that and out a little bit. Watch out for the bees in between the frames. We're going to take this one with the honey and the pollen. Nectar, and put it right there. Right back where it was. Then we're going to center them up. Put their feeder dish back in there. There you go, girls. Well, I've showed y'all before. These dishes has got a recess in here, so when I put this down on top of the bees, I'm not hurting them. Every once in a while you'll get one just to squish. But most of the time you don't. Give them some pollen, vitamins, so they can raise the babies healthy. They can stay healthy too. People say, why did you give them pollens? They have nectar outside, the vitamins outside, pollen outside. Same reason you took your vitamins this morning. You had breakfast and you had supper probably. And you don't have to work as hard as these girls do. A couple of quarts of water. Put their flotation in. Put their top back on. That's a hive. That's a hive, and the one before the 220 is a hive. But y'all enjoy. Have a great day. I hope y'all saw everything. Here we go. Yeah. Give us a thumbs up, comment, share. Let us know what you think. Y'all have a wonderful day.